we're very passionate in the nutrition department about making sure that we have the most up-to-date, interesting, innovative courses. We're all practitioners, we all love what we do, and the course has been developed to ensure that we're always up to date, we're always striving for excellence, and whether it's people who haven't studied for 20 years, people who have PhDs in other things, there's a real diversity in terms of the material is interesting for lots of different people. Yes, that question, really I think there's two aspects to it. One is the difference between a dietitian and a nutritionist, and the second is the difference between I suppose, conventional nutritionist and a holistic or naturopathic nutritionist. So all dietitians are nutritionists, but they do additional university study and additional practice in hospitals. Nutrition, on the other hand, is a much broader term. The style of nutrition that we do here with the Advanced Diploma in Nutritional Medicine is a more holistic approach. So rather than looking at things like in individual constituents or treating people like they're just a person with a disease, we look much more holistically at how all of what they're eating, all of their lifestyle comes together. So it's a little bit of a difficult question in some ways, because it's really about there are different styles of nutrition practice, and that's probably more the point than the difference between, say, a dietitian and a nutritionist. Most people would probably end up in private practice as a nutritionist. That's the majority, either on their own or in a holistic practice with other practitioners. However, there's lots of other opportunities within the organic and whole food type industry, also supplement manufacturers, really anything to do with food, and particularly wholesome food. There's lots of opportunities out there. What I've really enjoyed in my 14 years of teaching here is that Nature Care attracts really genuinely gorgeous people, whether it's the students or faculty members or people working in the administration area. It somehow attracts people from all sorts of countries, all different walks of life, and people are genuinely interested in learning, they're enthusiastic, and I just think it attracts people who are really gorgeous people.